sir. Good morning. Hi, Shen Shen, Tadai, Ni Hao. My name is Fitri Astuti. Can call me Fitri. I'm 35 years old, married from Madiun. I have one son, 6 years old. Have experience in Indonesia 2 years from 2023 until 2025. My employer house is medium. 3 room, 2 toilet, have 4 person, ma'am, sir, 7 years old boy, and 3-month baby boy. My job is take care one child and newborn baby, have take a bath, change diapers, change clothes, and general housework, cleaning the house, sweeping the floor, mopping, wash the baby clothes, ironing, and cooking. Now I am in the kitchen. This is tomato, garlic, egg, chili, onion, salt, coconut, gas stove, and microwave.